Welcome to FactoNugget, your go-to channel for daily doses of jaw-dropping facts from around the universe. Today we're launching into the great unknown with insane space facts that will blow your mind and change the way you look at the night sky. Buckle up. We're about to defy gravity. Here are 10 mind-blowing space facts that will leave you speechless. The sun is not yellow. You might think the sun is yellow, but in space, it's actually white. The yellow hue we see from Earth is due to our atmosphere scattering shorter wavelengths of light. When viewed from space, the sun shines a bright, dazzling white, like a giant light bulb in the cosmos. Neutron stars are city-sized, but heavier than the sun. A neutron star is the leftover core of a massive star that exploded in a supernova. It's only about 12 miles wide, the size of a city, but it can weigh 1.4 times more than the sun. A teaspoon of neutron star matter would weigh 1 billion tons. You could fit all the planets between Earth and the Moon. The average distance from Earth to the Moon is about 384,000 kilometers. If you lined up all the planets in the solar system side by side, they would just barely fit in that space with a little room to spare. Space isn't completely silent. You've heard it before. In space, no one can hear you scream. But that's only partly true. While space is mostly a vacuum, certain regions filled with gas and plasma can transmit sound waves. In fact, scientists have recorded eerie noises from black holes and distant stars using radio waves. One day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus rotates extremely slowly. It takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis. But it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means on Venus, a single day is longer than its entire year. Before we go deeper into the universe, don't forget to subscribe to FactoNugget and click the bell icon so you never miss a nugget of fascinating knowledge. Your curiosity fuels this channel. The universe has no center. There is no center of the universe. Space is expanding in all directions, and every point in the universe is moving away from every other point. It's like the surface of a balloon being inflated. Every dot on the surface sees all other dots moving away. Saturn could float on water. Saturn is so light for its size that it has a lower density than water. If you could find a bathtub big enough, and that's a big if, Saturn would float. Galaxies can collide. And where next? The Milky Way is on a collision course with the nearby Andromeda galaxy. But don't worry, it'll happen in about 4 billion years. When they collide, the galaxies will likely merge into one giant elliptical galaxy. The night sky will look spectacular. A day on Mercury has sunrise, sunset, then sunrise again. Due to its slow rotation and strange orbit, if you stood on Mercury, you could see the sun rise, set, and rise again, all in the same day. The coldest place in the universe isn't in space, it's in a lab. The Boomerang Nebula holds the title for coldest known natural place at negative 457.7 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 272 degrees Celsius. But in 1995, scientists on Earth created a Bose-Einstein condensate just a fraction above absolute zero, even colder than deep space. If your mind isn't floating in space by now, it should be. Hit that like button, share with a fellow space lover, and let us know your favorite fact in the comments. This is FactoNugget signing off. Until next orbit.